Welcome back to Fun Facts Unleashed, the channel where learning, laughter, and life hacks collide. Today, we're diving into a small but mighty kitchen hero, garlic. Yes, that tiny bulb that adds massive flavor, but can drive you crazy with peeling. Ever struggled with peeling garlic? We've all been there. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be peeling garlic faster than you can say Alfredo. First, let's talk about why peeling garlic can be tricky. Each clove is wrapped in a thin, papery skin that seems determined to stick to your fingers. And if you've ever tried smashing it with a knife, you know it can get messy and sometimes painful. But here it's a little secret. You can peel multiple cloves at once without getting frustrated or sticky fingers. Here's a classic hack, the shake method. Place the garlic cloves in a metal or glass bowl, cover with another bowl, and shake like you're performing in a kitchen orchestra. After 20-30 seconds of vigorous shaking, you'll be amazed to see most of the skins magically loosened. It's fun, it's fast, and it might even give you a mini workout. Bonus points for dramatic shaking and soundtrack. Now for another hack, microwave trick. Pop your garlic cloves in the microwave for about 10-15 seconds. The heat loosens the skins, making them slide off effortlessly. Just don't overdo it, unless you want slightly roasted cloves instead, which is tasty too if that's your plan. Here's a little science behind it. Garlic skins are hydrophobic, which is why water doesn't help much in peeling. But shaking or microwaving breaks the attachment between the skin and clove, making your life easier. It's like a tiny magical science experiment every time you cook. Question time. Have you ever accidentally minced a garlic clove so finely that it disappeared into your sauce? Or maybe smashed one in frustration? Share your funniest garlic mishap in the comments below. We want to hear your stories. And finally, for extra flair, if you want perfect slices or crushed garlic for recipes, try rolling the cloves under your palm before chopping. It softens them slightly and keeps things consistent. Professional chefs love it, and now you can too. Thanks for hanging out with Fun Facts Unleashed. If you love this hack, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to never miss another fun, weird, or surprisingly useful tip. Here's a challenge for you. Try peeling a whole head of garlic with these methods, and time yourself. Can you beat your previous record? Comment your times below. We love a friendly kitchen competition.